The Crew Dragon Freedom has returned. After months in space, its precious cargo, a crew of valiant astronauts, splashes down safely in the Atlantic Ocean. The world watches with bated breath. Cheers erupt at mission control. This successful return marks another milestone for NASA and SpaceX in their ongoing partnership to push the boundaries of human space exploration. The return of astronauts from space is a carefully orchestrated ballet of science and engineering. As the Crew Dragon capsule enters the Earth's atmosphere, friction generates intense heat. The spacecraft's heat shield protects the crew from temperatures that could melt metal. Inside, the astronauts, strapped securely in their seats, experience the force of gravity increasing as they descend. The capsule's parachutes deploy in stages, further slowing its descent. This ensures a safe splashdown speed. The recovery team tracks the capsule's trajectory, making precise adjustments to their own course. They must be in position to reach the capsule quickly once it lands. Awaiting the astronauts on the recovery vessel is a team of medical professionals. These experts are trained to assess and address the unique challenges astronauts face after returning from space. Prolonged exposure to microgravity can weaken bones and muscles. The medical team conducts a thorough examination to ensure the astronauts' well-being. The astronauts are carefully extracted from the capsule. They are placed on stretchers and transported to a medical bay on the recovery vessel. There, they undergo initial medical checks. Vital signs are monitored, blood samples are taken. The astronauts begin the process of readjusting to Earth's gravity. Section 4. A Stellar Crew, Profiles and Courage. In the vast expanse of space where the unknown looms large and the challenges are immense, a select group of individuals rise to the occasion. These are the astronauts, the brave souls who venture beyond our planet to push the boundaries of human knowledge and capability. This mission was manned by a crew of exceptional astronauts. Each one of them has undergone rigorous training and preparation, honing their skills to perfection. They are not just astronauts, they are pioneers, explorers, and scientists, each contributing to the mission in their unique way. Each member brought unique skills and expertise to the team. From piloting the spacecraft to conducting intricate scientific experiments, their diverse backgrounds and specializations make them a formidable team. Their collaboration and teamwork are crucial for the success of the mission. Their dedication and courage exemplify the spirit of human exploration. They face the unknown with determination and resilience, embodying the very essence of what it means to be an explorer. Their work is not just about the mission at hand, but about paving the way for future generations of space explorers. Their work on the International Space Station contributes to our understanding of space and its effects on the human body. The experiments they conduct in microgravity provide invaluable data that can lead to breakthroughs in medicine, technology, and our understanding of the universe. First, we have Commander Samantha Cristoforetti, a veteran astronaut from the European Space Agency. Cristoforetti has spent countless hours in space, contributing to numerous missions and scientific studies. Her experience and leadership are invaluable to the team. Cristoforetti is a skilled pilot and engineer. Her technical expertise ensures that the spacecraft operates smoothly and efficiently. She is also responsible for troubleshooting any issues that arise, making her an essential member of the crew. She has a passion for science and a talent for communicating complex ideas to the public. Cristoforetti often engages with the public, sharing her experiences and knowledge to inspire the next generation of scientists and explorers. Next, we have Dr. Jessica Watkins, a geologist and NASA astronaut. Watkins brings a unique perspective to the team with her expertise in geology, particularly in the study of Mars. Her work is crucial for understanding the red planet's history and potential for future human exploration. Watkins's research focuses on the geology of Mars. She analyzes rock samples and geological data to uncover the planet's secrets. Her findings could provide insights into the planet's past, including the presence of water and the potential for life. She is the first Black woman to complete a long-duration mission aboard the International Space Station. Watkins's achievement is a milestone in space exploration, breaking barriers and paving the way for more diversity in the field. Her contributions are not just scientific but also inspirational, showing that space is for everyone. Section 5. Back on Earth. Readjusting to gravity's embrace. Returning to Earth after an extended stay in space presents unique challenges for astronauts. The transition from the weightlessness of space to the gravitational pull of Earth is a significant adjustment that impacts their physical and mental well-being. The human body, accustomed to the weightlessness of space, needs time to readjust to Earth's gravity. Muscles that haven't been used in months must relearn how to support the body's weight, and bones that have lost density need to regain their strength. Simple tasks like standing and walking can be difficult. The act of standing up, which we take for granted, becomes a monumental effort. Walking, which is second nature to us, feels like learning to walk all over again. The astronauts receive ongoing medical care and physical therapy to help them regain their strength and coordination. This care is essential for their recovery, involving a team of specialists who monitor their progress and adjust their rehabilitation programs as needed. The astronauts experience a variety of sensations upon their return. They often describe feelings of dizziness, a sense of disorientation, and a pervasive feeling of heaviness as their bodies readjust to gravity. These sensations include dizziness, nausea, and a feeling of heaviness. The inner ear, which helps with balance, must recalibrate to the gravitational forces, often causing vertigo and nausea. Their muscles and bones, weakened from disuse in microgravity, require time to rebuild. Strength training and physical therapy sessions are crucial components of their rehabilitation, helping to restore muscle mass and bone density. The rehabilitation process is crucial for ensuring the astronauts' long-term health and well-being. It involves a comprehensive approach that includes physical therapy, medical evaluations, and psychological support to help them fully recover and reintegrate into life on Earth. Section 6. The unending mission inspiration for generations to come. The successful return of the Crew Dragon Freedom is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and collaboration. It marks another step forward in our journey to explore the cosmos. The mission's achievements will inspire generations to come, igniting a passion for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM, in young minds around the world. The astronauts' journey serves as a reminder that the human spirit knows no bounds. Their dedication to pushing the limits of knowledge and exploration benefits all of humanity. The data collected during their mission will advance our understanding of space, Earth, and ourselves. Section 7. A new era of space exploration. The Crew Dragon Freedom mission represents a new era of space exploration. This mission is not just a leap forward in terms of technology, but also a symbol of what humanity can achieve when we work together. The spacecraft, designed and built by SpaceX, showcases the pinnacle of modern engineering and innovation. It is characterized by international collaboration, technological innovation, and a commitment to advancing scientific knowledge. Astronauts from different countries come together, bringing their unique expertise and perspectives to push the boundaries of what we know and what we can achieve. The International Space Station serves as a hub for this collaboration, where cutting-edge research and experiments are conducted daily. As we venture further into the cosmos, missions like this pave the way for a future where humanity establishes a permanent presence beyond Earth. These missions are crucial stepping stones, providing us with the knowledge and experience needed to tackle the challenges of deep space exploration. From understanding the effects of long-term space travel on the human body to developing sustainable life support systems, each mission brings us closer to making space a second home. The success of the Crew Dragon Freedom mission fuels our collective imagination. It shows us that the dreams of yesterday are becoming the realities of today. The triumphant return of the spacecraft, greeted by a cheering mission control team, is a testament to the hard work, dedication, and ingenuity of everyone involved. It inspires us to dream big and to reach for the stars. The night sky, filled with countless stars and the majestic Milky Way, serves as a constant reminder of the vastness of the universe and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Each rocket launch, carrying brave astronauts on their journey, ignites a spark of curiosity and wonder in all of us. It reminds us that the spirit of exploration is alive and well. From the historic Apollo missions that first took us to the moon, to the space shuttle launches that expanded our capabilities, each milestone in space exploration has been a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. These achievements serve as a foundation upon which we continue to build, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. And it gives us hope for a future where the mysteries of the universe are within our grasp. As we gaze upon distant galaxies and nebulae, we are reminded of the endless wonders that await discovery. The sight of astronauts looking out into the vast expanse of space from the ISS encapsulates the essence of our quest for knowledge and understanding. With each mission, we take one step closer to unraveling the secrets of the cosmos and securing our place among the stars.